Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Power to Edu.
Here, we will be discussing about the area and the volume of three-dimensional structures. Okay, when the dimension is 3D, then the area and the volume we will see how to calculate and the formulas for that. Okay, 3D three dimension is a structure. For example, if you are watching something, okay, you are watching your TV, watching your glass placed on a table, all that thing is a 3D where three dimensions are there. Okay, okay, so that structure is known as three-dimension structure. Okay, so we have with us the very first prism. Okay, a prism is a basically a uniform cross sectional where a structure is having a uniform cross section. Okay, if this is a triangle, if this is a triangle and this is a triangle and this is a triangle, so till here is making a uniform cross section. So this is a triangular prism. Okay, so this is a rectangular prism. Okay, it is having a uniform cross section. If you cut this from here, you will get a uniformity. Okay, so for example, if you have a brick and you cut it from the middle, and you will see the uniform cross section from the starting till the end. Okay, so for any prism we have two areas, lateral surface area and the total surface area. Lateral surface area is basically this area from here to here, this area. Okay, this area apart from this space and this space, so which is equal to the perimeter of the base. Suppose this is the base, we will consider this as base. Okay, this as base into height of the prism. This is the height of the prism. Okay, this is base. For example, this structure, this triangle structure, this is perimeter of the base triangle structure. Okay, into height of the prism into this length. This is this is the length of the prism, and this is the base. Okay, now we have total surface area. Total surface area includes this area, this to this, matlab total surface area plus 2 into area of the base. Okay, 2 into area of the base, this as well, this as well. So this will give you the total surface area. Volume, area of the base, this area into height of the prism. So this will give you the volume of prism. So we have first type of prism. Cuboid is a type of prism. We have different lengths here, L, B, H. Okay. Okay. The volume of this cuboid will equal to L into B into H. The lateral surface area, except these two surface, will be equal to 2 into L into 2 into L plus B into H. Okay. Total surface area, including lateral surface area plus the area of the base, plus 2 into area of the base. So surface area, basically this surface area, we have 6 faces in a cuboid. Okay, so leaving this and this. Okay, this will give you lateral surface area, and including this will give you total surface area. Okay, and the longest diagonal in this cuboid will be equal to under root of L square plus B square plus H square. Okay, we have other thing, cube. Okay, cube is generally where all the lengths are equal, with L length, breadth and height are equal. So area of a cube is given as A3. Lateral surface area apart from this, which is 4a square, if you include this, this will give you 6a square. So longest diagonal in this, by applying this formula, you will get root 3a. Okay, now we have other structure, cylinder. In cylinder, the volume is equal to the pi r square, area of the base into height, pi r square into h. Lateral surface area, this cylindrical part, suppose this is this this area, cylindrical area, apart from this base area, which is equal to 2 pi r into h, okay, which will give you literal surface area. Total surface area, this area plus the area of the base, this base and this base, so 2 pi r square, which is 2 pi r into r plus h. Okay, if we have a pyramid, this is a triangular pyramid, we have any type of pyramid, this is triangular pyramid. In triangular pyramid, we have volume is equal to 1 by 3 into area of the base into height. Area of the base into height. Okay. Lateral surface area 1 by 2 into perimeter of the base into slant height. This is the slant height. This is known as slant height. Okay. This is a general formula. You can have any type of pyramid. This is a triangular pyramid. You can have a hexagonal pyramid or different type of pyramid. Okay. Total surface area is equal to the lateral surface area plus area of the base, as we have discussed in earlier. Okay. So first type of pyramid, cone is a type of pyramid which is triangular. So cone. Okay. So volume of the cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Okay. 1 by 3 into area of the base into height of the cone, okay, which is 1 by 3 into pi r square into h. Okay, the curved surface area of a cone. For example, you are having a soft T, and that soft T, okay, soft T is a type of cone. The curved surface area excluding the upper part, this part, will give you the curved surface area, which is pi r l. Okay, okay, and the total surface area will be this plus pi r square. Let curved surface area plus the area of the base, it will give you pi r into l plus r. We have sphere. The ball is the type of sphere. Okay, surface area of the sphere will equal to 4 pi r square, and the volume of the sphere will equal to the 4 by 3 pi r cube. I hope you like the video. These are the basic formula we have discussed. So if you have any doubt, you can post your comments in the comment section. Thank you, bye.